go. God almighty, it's ugly. Man, here it is, a 2026 Aprilia Tuono V4. I've rode a bunch of them. I've done some other videos on them with all the technical stuff. Today's going to be more about, let's go ride the hell out of it and have a blast. Stay with me. Here we go. The first thing we'll do is turn that key on, fire that beautiful TFT up. This is actually a used bike. It is for sale at Plano Kawasaki. These sell brand new for $16,000. I believe it's $16,600. You've got your freight and setup. I tell you what, I'm thinking real hard about buying this. You leave a comment. Plano Kawasaki, Suzuki, Aprilia, Moto Guzzi. They've got all this stuff. I've got a video on the Tuono Factory Edition. This has the quick shifter. I'm not going to bore you. Let's get to having a blast on this thing. This is going to be more about the fun, how fun these are. This makes 180 horsepower. It does have that quick shifter on it. This, the person that had it before, put these $400 mirrors on. It's got the Brembo brakes on it. The only thing different about this bike, it does have the predictive wheelie control on it. It does not have the electronic suspension. I've got a BMW M1. Man, this thing, it just wants to go. It'll jerk your arms off. I've also got a link where you can flash this. You don't really have to buy that pipe. Man, that quick shifter's seamless. If you don't want to buy the pipe, when you first buy one of these, you can get the Brentoon flash and tell them you want the throttle, or not the throttle, the muffler control valve to stay open. It'll do it when it's in gear. If you want it quiet when you start it up, they'll have it on in neutral, so it'll be quiet in neutral. You came here to see me ride the hell out of this. We're fixing to do it. I'm not going to bore you. Hang on. I'll be right back. This thing is actually in for a factory recall on the, I believe it's the blinker. The factory warranty is good till 9/27. This guy only had it about 4 months. These are like 16, I think they're 16.6 plus the freight and setup on them. I'm getting a warning tail light off. Somebody leave me a comment if you know why. I know they are missing the passenger side back blinker right now. Maybe that's what they're waiting for from Aprilia. Plano Kawasaki does own this. Man, this is such a, man, so predictable and such a hooligan bike. Woo! Man, I tell you what, I would love to buy this. I even asked my wife about buying it before I came up. She said, if you want it, get it. Oh my God, this ain't even flashed. Man, this is a really positive feeling motorcycle. Man, those Brembo brakes are awesome. Steel braided brake lines. God almighty, it's ugly. This thing will get ugly quick. And I've got an electronic suspension bike, a BMW M1000R competition, a 23 model. I will tell you, do you really need electronic suspension? Man, I sure don't think so after riding this. After riding these, it's a hard, if you were going to the track and you wanted to do it all electronically, adjust your rebound compression. If you do get the Brentoon flash, they can put it to where the blinkers are in the front headlights. You do have to buy the European blinkers for the back. I don't know what it is, if it's a voltage deal or amperage, I don't know. Man, that quick shifter is so seamless. Man, I tell you what, get that exhaust valve fixed with that Brentoon flash for these. You can hear that exhaust. It's really whisper quiet with the stock exhaust. They can open that exhaust valve when the bike is in gear, every gear, with that flash. Love those beautiful bars. The Italians just do it right. Love that right there. The gentleman that owned this, I bought 2 or 3 bikes up there. They said, super nice guy. He'll put about 200 or 300 miles on them, put some stuff on them, and then trade them back in. Coming off the clutch there is pretty perfect. I'm not going to lie to you. This does have cruise control. Got those Rosso 4s on it. Man, they feel, let's go. just so positive feeling. No black and whites behind me. I'm getting a little crazy here. Let's change that rider mode. We'll use the button down here. You can change your wheelie control, traction control. It's all electronic. Engine braking. It does have a 6-axis IMU. This thing, I will be honest with you, this has really got a little bit more of a positive feeling. I don't know if it's the tires, because I need tires on my bike. This thing feels really good. Of course, it should. It's got brand new Rosso 4s, or Rosso 4s that got 280 miles on them. That Brentune flash also will lower, you can lower your fan temp, so this thing will never run hot. This has also got the lower scoop that covers the bottom of the motor. Man, this is such a good feeling bike. Turn that blinker off, Ray, push it in. Just such a positive feeling bike. It's hard to fault Aprilia. I know some of y'all are going to leave comments and say they've had problems in the past, which they have. They've pretty much worked through them. We better wait and let her go by. Super easy to manage in the very slow speeds. I tell you what, you cannot get on this bike and not be excited. There's just no way. Go back out here. Man, that quick shifter is butter. I can't imagine this being flashed. I just cannot imagine it. If I bought it, I'd definitely have to have it flashed. This bike is available at Plano Kawasaki. Their information is always in the details of every video. Huge thank you to them. We're waiting on the GSX-R 1000, the new GSX-R, the new ZX-10 should be here any day. There's already some deposits on those ZX-10s and GSX-Rs. There's one guy that's buying himself one and his son, which is so cool. Man, we better take this thing back before the cops find us. Anyways, put this thing in neutral. Man, neutral's easy to find. We're waiting on that in the 26 model, but look at this beautiful bike. Cruise control there. Awesome. This bike is for sale. Man, thanks for riding with me. God bless. I'm going to bring you some more used bikes. I do 2 videos every week. Leave a comment. Make sure you're subscribed. We'll see you on the next one.